So based on current scenario, every second people they are suffering from obesity and unhealthy weight gain. So today I am going to talk about complete weight loss procedure and the things which you should be doing and you should not be doing when you are in the process of weight loss. Before starting with the main topic, you should must know that what is obesity, what are the reasons for having such unwanted weight, and what can be the health risk. So obesity is excessive body weight due to unwanted fat which is present in your body. That can be due to lack of exercise, sedentary lifestyle, unhealthy weight, due to genetic factor also, due to pregnancy, and that will lead to an unhealthy weight gain. So because of unwanted fat which is present in your body, that will lead to a many health risk, serious health risk actually. So that is your heart disease, hypertension, thyroid, type 2 diabetes mellitus. So what you can do in order to reduce body weight and unwanted fat? So for that, one most important thing when you are reducing the weight, that is you should be utilizing more energy as compared to the energy which you are consuming. For utilizing more energy, regular exercise is very much important. Cardio exercise is very much important for losing weight. For example, jogging and running. But if your metabolism is not good enough, then it may interrupt with your weight loss procedure. So for improving metabolism, you can perform many resistance training and weight training. Losing weight is not an easy procedure because having appropriate food and on time, that is very much important. So now what appropriate food means? Appropriate food in the sense that time you have to reduce certain type of food from your diet. For example, carbohydrate, white sugar, bad fat. Because when you are taking such kind of food in your diet, that will increases the insulin hormone in your body, and that will the hormone which will make you more hunger, and that will lead to overeating, and that overeating will lead to an unhealthy weight gain. There are many type of diet available which you can follow. So one of the example of such diets, that is your keto diet. So in that you can have only protein and fat. There won't be any carbohydrate consumption. So protein you can have egg white, lentils, chickpeas, green peas. Of course, when fat comes to your mind, it is having always bad picture. But the fact is, all fat is not created equally. The fat you can have in keto diet, that is your good fat. For example, peanut butter, almond butter, avocado, and egg yellow also you can have, but that also in the little amount. Now if you talk about the bad fat, so there are two categories in that. So first category, that is your saturated fat, which is present in the dairy product, which you can have in a little amount. But the trans fat, which is present in the pastries and processed snacks, which you should avoid completely. One more type of diet is there, that is complete calorie restricted diet, where you should be having only protein. Other than that, there won't be any fat, there won't be any carbohydrate, nothing. So this is also one of the most effective way to reduce the weight. Vitamins and minerals are also important for boosting the metabolism and to promote the weight loss. For example, vitamin A, vitamin B, iron, which is present in the food like legumes, egg yolk, spinach, nuts. Lack of sleep also interfere with the metabolism, because sleeping is like nutrition for your body, which will boost the metabolism. So sleeping for 7 to 8 hours, that is very much important. The most important thing for weight loss procedure, that you have to eliminate the liquid calories. Liquid calories like sugar sweetened soda, juice, tea, alcohol, because these all are the empty calories which will be giving you unwanted energy without any nutritional benefit. Thing which you should not be doing when you are in the weight loss procedure. Sleeping late night, that is very much bad habit, because when you will be awake till late night, that will increase the hunger hormone, and that will lead to overeating, and again that will causes the unhealthy weight gain. There is one misunderstanding there among the people, that diet means skipping the meals, not having on time, No, that is wrong procedure, because when you skip the breakfast especially, so that will make you more hunger into your next meal, and that will lead to overeating, and even it will affect your metabolism also. Now there are many people, those who are having hot water, adding lemon juice in that. That is one of the biggest blunder they are doing, because if you are having lemon for prolonged period of time, that will weaken your bone. Of course that will reduce your weight, but along with that, in a late age, it will causes the disease called osteoporosis, means it will make your bone weak. Last but not the least, you have to always keep track on your body mass index through the BMI calculator, so through which you will get to know that how much weight is required for your body. BMI calculator you will get online also. If you search in Google, you will get easily. Thank you so much for watching. So if you are having any doubt, you can text me in the comment box.